was asked to help split some logs on personal property by a gentleman, and he would pay him for helping do this since the gentleman, that's the way he made some of his money, selling the firewood. And while my son was there, he got his thumb crushed. And we had to take him, obviously, to the emergency room. He had to have his thumb put back together. We obviously have a lot of medical bills from that, and he was not able to work for like 6 months. After that, we didn't know if he was going to be able to keep his thumb or not. And I'm wondering, is this gentleman not liable for these medical bills?
Okay, so how does that work when you're doing work for a neighbor, essentially?
I would say, generally speaking, in this sort of situation, he probably would not be liable for the medical bills. However, one thing you could look at is the insurance policy on the home, and see if there's any sort of med pay available, and that might be some sort of an alternative to help with your medical bills.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, Meredith's exactly right. And you know, a lot of people think that, you know, if you just get injured on somebody's property, that they're going to be automatically liable. You know, if I go over to somebody's house and you fall down, that the insurance company is going to compensate you. And unfortunately, that's just not the case. There has to be something that the person did or didn't do, did that they weren't supposed to do, or didn't do that they were supposed to do, in order to establish liability even on their own property. So in this situation, there's not going to be a workers' comp case, probably not going to be a liability case, unless, you know, he instructed him to do something that he wasn't supposed to do, and cause that injury to him. But Meredith, I think you're dead on that maybe that med pay is a way to get some of the medical bills paid for.
Okay, we hope.